Hello, my name is Anunay Tripathi, a student of Just Academy. I am currently studying in grade 9 and I choose my subject computer applications, which has the basics of Java. So when I chose computer applications as my subject, so I feared Java. I had a particular fear from it and I was searching for a Java professional coaching center. Then I found Roshan sir and Just Academy. My fear turned into enjoyment. I enjoy now doing Java, especially the coding. And it's not only the journey of 3 months. You may have any doubt clearing sessions with sir. Recently, I scored 99 out of 100 in my exams and I have seen well improvement in it. My fear has directly turned into enjoyment with sir. Under the guidance of sir, now I am enjoying to do every programs that I can. So I would recommend you that if you want Java courses, not only Java courses, but various other languages courses, even web development programs, so you can join Just Academy and have it. Thank you.